Blending eyeshadows is still one of the skills that most beginners struggle with, so I've got a hack that will simplify things and make the eye makeup part a whole lot easier for everyone. So if you're ready, let's begin. I'm starting out by priming my lids with the Pack Take Cover Concealer in the shade Stark Nude, and I'm setting it with new Master Fix Setting Loose Powder. To get those dramatic straight edges, I'm using a sticky tape. For demonstration purposes, I'm using the Too Faced Sweet Peach palette. Using a sponge tip applicator, I'm dipping into this corally shade and I'm outlining my crease with it. And taking my mini beauty blender, I'll start to dab on the eyeshadow to blend it, and as you can see, the eyeshadow is blending away seamlessly into my skin. Again, using my sponge tip applicator, I am picking up this nude brown shade and tracing again my crease line to further deepen it, and to blend it away, I am again using my mini beauty blender. Taking this deep violet shade on my sponge tip applicator, I am outlining my outer corner and I am using my mini beauty blender to buff it into my skin. And you can see here how all the eyeshadows have blended beautifully into my skin without taking much effort. Using this deep charcoal shade with my sponge tip applicator, I'm lining the outer half of my top lash line and I'm buffing it using my mini beauty sponge. Next, I'm decorating my lid with this beautiful corally chunky glitter with my flat brush. Very quickly, I'll be revealing my tape and cleaning up underneath my eye using a concealer. To line my top lash line, I'm using the Lakme Insta Liner. To brighten my inner corner and my brow bone, I'm using this shimmery bone shade with my small short shader brush. Next, I'm smoking out my lower lash line with this nude brown shade using my pack brush in the style 126. Next, I'm lining my waterline with the Magnet Eye Kajal by Faces Canada. To finish up, I'll be curling my lashes and coating them with some mascara, and the mascara that I'm using is from Mars. And for falsies, I'm using the style Ultimate Lashes by NY. And for lipstick, I'm using this nude brown shade by Maybelline in the shade Nude Nuance. And here is the finished look. So if you enjoyed this video and happen to learn something from it, then please don't forget to hit the like button, and if you're new here, please take a moment to subscribe. I post several videos a week. I've left the link to my social media accounts in the description box down below in case you want to follow me there. And if you want me to find more hacks like these, then let me know in the comment section. I'll be more than happy to find more hacks. And I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.